In this video, we will show you how to open epub files on Windows, also on Android. You can see we have the epub files, for example, and we cannot open this on Windows. Okay, first we will open it on Windows, and the second we will open it on Android smartphone. Okay, on Windows, you can download Calibre ebook. Okay, to read the epub files, just download this Calibre. Okay, this is the URL, you can see there. Then download Calibre here. After that, just select Windows. Okay, then we can click download link here. Okay, we can put on the desktop, and after the download is complete, let's start the installation. After the download is completed, wait it until 100%. Okay, this is not yet completed, still in progress. After that, we can just click to open the Calibre master. Now we can tick the accept for the license agreement and click install. After that, we can just let it until the installation completed. Then we can try to open our epub files. Okay, we will pause this video. After the installation is completed, we can just click finish and we can launch the Calibre. Let's try to open our epub file here. Okay, this is our book location. Let it by default. You can also customize if you want. Just click next. And this is generic. We will just click next. Okay, just click finish after that. Now the Calibre is starting to open. Okay, you can see here. Then we can click add books. Okay, just download the around the world for epub files. Just click open after that. Now you can see we successfully open our epub files. Okay, in here. Okay, if you can see in the below here, there is press any key to continue. We can see our epub file here. Okay, if there is more one page, we can also using like this scroll. Okay, you can scrolling like this. Okay, and this is how to open epub file on Windows. And we will continue how to open epub files on Android smartphone. Okay, we'll close this, and you can get the Calibre, the link on comments, so you can just go to the comment section. In Android smartphone, to open epub file, it's more easier. You can just go to Play Store here, and then just okay, we will get it. Just type in the search. Okay, ebook. Install application called ebook. This is the application by reading app publisher. Okay, don't mistake to install this. After that, we can see we have the epub files. Okay, let me show you. We have epub files in my files, in downloads, and on Telegram here. You can see this is the epub files, and we cannot open. Okay, but directly open it into the ebook. You can see when we open the ebook, let me show you. This is the ebook. Just click here. There is around the word automatically, or if you don't see your epub here, just click this. Okay, then select ebook, add ebook here, and scroll into your disk and select download, for example, and select Telegram, and just click around the word. Okay, it is also the same. Just click this after that. So you can open the epub here. And clear. Now We can open the epub file easily on Windows or an Android. Okay, if you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching. Hope this video helpful for you.